Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is off and cooled down for safety. You will need a new headlight bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Always wear gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass. This simple repair can save you money and improve your night driving visibility. Let's get started with the first step. Once the hood is open, look behind the headlight unit. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently squeeze or pull the tab to disconnect it. Next, identify any dust covers or retaining clips. These usually twist off or unclip. Be careful not to force anything, as plastic components can be brittle. Take note of how everything is oriented for easier reassembly. Now, carefully pull out the old bulb. It might be slightly warm. When handling the new bulb, hold it by its plastic base. Avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can cause hot spots and shorten its lifespan. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the housing, then push it firmly into place. Reattach any retaining clips or covers you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Before closing the hood, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. Check both low and high beams. If it doesn't light up, double-check the connection and bulb seating. This quick fix will have you back on the road safely. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.